So what is the maximum speed and altitude that we can operate our SUAS by? So this is going to be another quick lesson, and let's jump right into it. So speed, our maximum speed is going to be 100 miles or a ground speed of 87 knots. Okay, the key word here is ground speed. Okay, keep in mind ground speed is the speed on the ground, obviously, right? The reason I'm defining ground speed is because when you are flying, you're flying SUAS, you're flying a plane, anything, you must account for tailwind and headwind. Okay, you must add it in to your speed. Okay, so if you're flying against the wind, your speed will be slower. You're flying with the wind, your speed will be obviously faster. Okay, but the number you have to remember this for your written exam is 87 knots or 100 miles. You have to know both. Okay, I don't know which one they're going to test you, but it's guaranteed they're going to ask you for the numbers. So maximum speed again, 87 knots or 100 miles per hour, and that's ground speed. So moving on to maximum altitude. Your SUAS cannot be flown 400 feet higher than ground level unless it's flown within a 400-foot radius of a structure and it's not flown higher than 400 feet above the structure's immediate uppermost limit. Okay, so let me give you an example. If a skyscraper owner asked you to film, fly, and inspect his skyscraper, you are only allowed to fly 399 feet above that skyscraper. Okay, so remember that 400 feet is the limit, but you can only fly 399.9999 feet above that particular structure. Okay, and you can only fly within a 400 feet radius around that skyscraper. Okay, so the numbers you need to know from this is maximum speed, in knots 87 knots, and in miles 100 miles. Okay, both of them ground speed, again 87 knots, 100 miles per hour. Okay, and in terms of altitude, 400 feet above ground level, AGL. Remember, you know that term. Remember to know that term, AGL, above ground level, and 400 feet radius, and under 400 feet above structure. Okay, so that's all you need to know about maximum speed and altitude. Make sure you remember the numbers because it's guaranteed to be on your knowledge test. I'll see you guys in the next video.